we had a good day yesterday. It was good. The food was good. The days are a little strange now. They seem calmer, less stressful. Maybe because it was a Sunday. As we start to get off the interstate, I stopped it because it's about half an hour of fighting traffic and bumper traffic. I finally eased myself out of it. I'm approaching Plagerville, but before I get to Plagerville, I'm gonna turn off at one of these off-road freeways. It takes me directly to the ranch, and we're looking at another 20 miles from here. No, I'm stuck here. It's a fine day here on the corner. Still, what the hell just happened? Don't you just hate it? It's my off-topic opinion. You might want to comment below. Every vehicle, and I'm talking about Chevy trucks, because I haven't owned anything else for a long time. My first Chevy truck was my first Chevy. No. My first work Chevy truck. My first work truck was a Chevy. And then I switched over to another Chevy, and then I switched over to a Tahoe, and then I switched over to a 2019 Chevy pickup, 4x4, Z71, you know, the whole works and so forth. That one had a feature that the engine would turn off on you. It has what's called the auto stop. The auto stop is, I have no idea why the heck they even put that little feature on there. It's yes, that is a bunch of crap, to my opinion. Scientifically, I have not seen any numbers, and I have not seen anything that would be anything towards that towards those numbers, towards the proof that they would have that. It has a disabling switch, which is fine also. And you end up realizing that your whole night went by and you pretty much enjoyed your night. You went out there and checked you did your responsibility, checking the fences, the gates, making sure everything's in order, and in the same way, you sit back and relax and enjoy your life inside the vehicle, pretty much. Our jobs are a little bit different from everybody else's. We work the graveyard shift, so we normally, I would normally get outside and do a little bit of exercise so you can bring that stomach down. So I'm a little bit overweight, but you go out and do a little bit of exercise. Now, the last time I did some exercise, I almost died while walking around the fields and the roads at night. I picked up a strange creature. It snuck up to right in between my pants and went up my leg, and it stung me. And it just so happened to be an old spider, black widow, the older one, where I finally understood that, I'm being notified that I'm low on fuel. I never even looked at it. I'm gonna discontinue the story, and I gotta go back into town. No, we have fuel there.